Welcome back to Cooper Creations. What we're going to do today is a very simple hors d'oeuvre dish. As you can see, there's 3 ingredients in this. It is bread, mustard, and bacon. And it is a bacon wrapped mustard bread. That's what I'm going to call it because it doesn't sound very good with that title, but when the finished product is done, it is really tasty, really good, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're going to put the mustard on the bread, mix all that stuff up, and then we get bacon. As you can see, there's two packages of bacon here. And what I've done is I've cut it up to where the piece is going to be something like this, big around, or big, and then it's wrapped. The bread is put in there with the mustard. It is wrapped, and then there's a toothpick that goes in it. It is put on a plate. It is put in the oven. It is baked, and that's it. So remember earlier we had the bread before we added the mustard. As you can see, that's what you really want the bread to look like. So put enough mustard to coat the bread pieces in the bowl, and what you do is the bacon cut up. I'm using like 2 little pieces together. Get a little piece of the bread with the mustard like so. Fold it. On the toothpicks, we have cut them in half to make it easier to adjust to the piece of the bacon. And we're putting it like that. The last 2 pieces here. Get some more bread. Put it on the bacon. Kind of wrap it around it. And this process is a little bit time consuming, but the end result is really good. So what we're going to do now is I am going to get the first batch out of the oven. The oven is at 400 and it's about 30 minutes is what the time for the bacon wrapped bread to come out looking like this. They are delicious. And this process, like I said, this is about 80 pieces that has been made. It's about a half a loaf of bread cut up in squares, probably a half a bottle of mustard. Mix that together, get a package of bacon. If you want to make it a half a batch, you can do a 1 package. I did 2 packages of bacon and cut it up, and that makes about 80. Obviously the 1 package of bacon will be, about 40 pieces. So put the bread on a baking sheet and at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, and this is the result. It is delicious. So easy, 3 ingredients. Woo! See you later.